I woke up one day and all of a sudden it was bone on my knee. And it's the same leg that I broke my legs 50 years ago. So I'm thinking this is just coming back to catch up with me. So I tried orthopedic surgeon. They put a shot in my knee that only lasted 3 days. And so I saw the commercials on TV and decided, you know what, I gotta give this a try because I don't want knee surgery. And that's what they were pushing me toward, is knee replacement. My name is Kathy and I'm from Oshkosh. I knew they were gonna push me toward knee replacement, and that was like the absolute last resort for me. I have a lot of other health issues, and I just didn't know if I'd make it through that. So I decided to give this a try, and it's been amazing, and it's worked wonderful for me. There were a lot of things I couldn't do. I pretty much stayed home, like, in the fall, because I just didn't want to slip. I couldn't get up into my son-in-law's truck. I just didn't do much at all. It really cut things down big time. My family, it affected because I normally go to a lot of stuff and we do a lot of stuff together, and I go to like anything that the grandkids have going on, I go to that. I couldn't do that because I couldn't be sure that there was a way for me to maneuver. I have a bunch of girls that I graduated high school with in the class of '68, and we go to lunch once a month, and I mentioned to them that I was considering this, and one of the girls said to me, I've been there, he saved my life. She said, he's got me back working in the garden and all that stuff. She said, so I just thought, she's a friend from school, she's not gonna lie to me. So that's when I decided, let's give this a shot. I got in here right away, and right away I could tell it started to make a difference. And every single session I've had here has been better and better. And now I'm walking with no cane, no walker. Because at home I was walking with a walker, and when I go out anywhere, which wasn't, often, I had a cane. And now I'm walking without, using both of those, which to me is amazing. I didn't know what to expect, so I really had no expectations. But to me, they went above and beyond. The girls are nice, he's nice. The fact that his daughter's here once in a while, it's just a cool situation. And I didn't mind, driving a couple times a week up here from Oshkosh. It's gotten me back on both feet. That's how it's made a difference. And from going with one decent leg and a cane to 2 good legs is amazing. I would definitely recommend them. Right now you have nothing to lose, so you give it a shot, I think for me, Midwest Pain Solutions got me back on 2 feet, 2 legs. And that to me is worth everything that I've had gone through.